Have you ever found yourself on the other side of the world, wallet feeling a little lighter than expected? Maybe your card declined at a fancy restaurant in Paris, or you couldn't withdraw cash from an ATM in Tokyo. Sound familiar? Well, if you're a Commbank customer, you might be wondering, can I actually use my Commbank card overseas? Let's dive in and find out. Now, using your bank card abroad can be a bit of a roller coaster. Some cards are as welcome as a rock star, while others are treated like unwanted guests. Factors like the card type, the country you're visiting, and even the specific ATM or store can influence how smoothly things go. But don't worry, we're going to break it all down for you. Main content: can Commbank be used overseas? The short answer is yes, you can generally use your Commbank card overseas. Most Commbank debit and credit cards are accepted in countries with Visa or MasterCard networks, which covers a pretty vast territory. So, whether you're grabbing a souvenir in Rome or indulging in a shopping spree in New York, there's a good chance your Commbank card will be your trusty sidekick. But let's talk specifics. Debit cards. Commbank debit cards are great for everyday spending. You can use them for purchases in stores, online shopping, and ATM withdrawals. However, keep in mind that not all ATMs overseas accept foreign cards. And when they do, there might be fees involved. So, it's always a good idea to check with your bank before you leave about potential charges. Credit cards. Commbank credit cards offer a bit more flexibility when traveling. They're generally accepted in more places than debit cards, and they often come with added perks like travel insurance or rewards points. Plus, if you're worried about carrying a lot of cash, a credit card can be a safer option. But remember, credit card debt can quickly pile up if you're not careful, so use it wisely. Important considerations. While you can generally use your Commbank card overseas, there are a few things to keep in mind. Currency conversion fees. Every time you make a transaction in a foreign currency, your bank will likely apply a conversion fee. These can add up quickly, so it's worth shopping around for the best exchange rates. ATM fees. As mentioned earlier, many ATMs charge fees for foreign card withdrawals. Some Commbank accounts offer fee refunds for overseas ATM use, so check your account details. Card activation. Before you leave, make sure your Commbank card is activated for international use. You can usually do this through the Commbank app. Card security. Keep your card safe and secure while traveling. Use ATMs in well-lit areas, shield your PIN, and be wary of skimming devices. Alternative payment methods. While Commbank cards are a reliable option, it's always good to have a backup plan. Consider carrying some cash in the local currency, as well as a travel money card or prepaid currency card. These can be useful for situations where your Commbank card might not be accepted or when you need to access cash quickly. So, can you use your Commbank card overseas? In most cases, yes. But it's essential to do your research and plan ahead to make the most of your travels. By understanding the potential fees, activating your card, and considering alternative payment methods, you can enjoy a stress-free travel experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.